Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having an awesome day so far, and today I have an unpackaging and also first impressions video for you guys. And this is gonna be not just unpackaging and first impressions on perfumes that I personally purchased or that a brand sent me. This is gonna be unpackaging of fragrances that my friend Joe sent me, and I will leave a link to his YouTube channel down below in my description box, so definitely check his channel out. He's an awesome guy and it was such a nice surprise for me. And in case you're wondering why it is actually opened, is because I needed to pick it up at the custom office, and they made me to open it so they can see what is inside. But I promise you that I haven't tried, like, sprayed any perfume yet, so I really wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So this is actually gonna be a first impression, and the fragrances are just... they surprised me so much. So if you're excited and intrigued what is inside of this beautiful package, then please keep on watching. So guys, I have 3 fragrances, and as you can see, all of them are wrapped, and these are 3 fragrances from Demeter fragrance library. And I'm telling you guys, as I saw what is inside, I was so happy, because Demeter fragrances are not available in Germany and I have never tried them out, and Joe gave me a chance to try them, which I'm so grateful for. Thank you, Joe, so much. I was really interested in Demeter fragrances because, you know, this brand kind of like makes fragrances that should remind you of certain things. So for example, this fragrance is called Christmas Tree, so this should smell like Christmas tree, and we'll see that just in a minute. Here I have the visit card from Joe's, you know, like website, which is kind of cute. So the next fragrance is called Snow, and I believe that all these 3 fragrances that I got are from the Christmas collection. And the last fragrance is called Eggnog, which is a Christmas drink, if I'm not wrong, and I have never smelled or drank it, so we shall see how it smells. So guys, let's get started and try the first perfume, which is Christmas Tree. And I need to be honest, well, that I have opened it and it was a little bit broken, but that is not that, you know, like bad. I can just apply it like this, and I have smelled it. I didn't smell it like applied it on my skin, but I smelled it from the bottle because I couldn't resist. And yeah, this is kind of a real scent of Christmas tree. It is piney, but it also reminds me of room refreshener, you know, like spray that you, you know, like the thing that you spray to refresh the scent of your home. It has that thing. So if you're looking for something like forest-like, something that will smell like pine, like a Christmas tree that will remind you of a Christmas time, and you want something piney, that is definitely it. It is kind of nice. It is really linear. So this is my first experience with Demeter fragrances, and I believe that all their perfumes will be linear. There won't be a lot of development, a lot of like things going on. These are just the perfumes that should represent certain things and don't smell like a lot of different things in one time. So I really like this perfume. I think that you can definitely pull it off. I prefer these kind of fragrances that are on the cold side in the winter when it is cold outside, so that way the fragrance just can, you know, like perform in its full beauty. So this is kind of very like cooling and very like calming fragrance, so I really like its scent. It's quite nice, and of course because it's quite piney, I personally think that it would be really nice on a man. Well, let's move on to the next perfume, which I haven't like tried, opened anything. Oh, it has you know, a sprayer on it, so that's cool. And let's just, you know, like, oh, okay, I'm so excited. It's called Snow, and I expected it to be musky because I thought, well, how snow can smell, and I thought that it will be like a very light musky scent that won't be kind of like you know, like that noticeable. Oh, it's dirty. I smell something like earthy in it, which is totally appropriate for the scent of snow, but I thought it will be much more cleaner, almost like soapy, and well, it smells kind of like a damp earth to me, and I don't think that I can pull it off just on itself. Like, to wear this fragrance alone is it would be really hard for me, but I can see myself wearing these two together. Yeah, they match each other really nicely. So this perfume has much more going on than this one. It's very interesting. So if you like the perfume with something earthy in it, that element is quite noticeable, I think you might like Snow. And once again, I also think that this one is more appropriate for a man, just because it's kind of dirty, and it's interesting. It settles down right now, and it's not that harsh anymore. That earthy element really goes into the background, and yeah, kind of like a very soft, subtle scent comes through. So maybe I might wear this, because first, you know, like first impression was, whoa, it's earthy. But right now, I don't mind it. It's actually very nice. You know what? I see myself wearing these two perfumes together on a very muddy winter day, which, you know, I have a lot of those days right now in Germany. So I will wear these and maybe, you know, like share with you my opinion, how they perform and things, but they are not too loud. Of course, I don't apply a lot, but they are really nice. And now let's move on to the last perfume, which is Eggnog. I'm excited about this one the most because I believe it will be like really delicious. It's so good, you guys. It's like, it smells like a caramel, it smells heady, it smells a little bit like alcohol. Well, right now it's really like irisy, you know, like, I don't know if you guys know those bonbons to eat. They are kind of like irisy. I don't know how to describe that. Like, that is how it smells to me. Well, the opening is much more cooler than the development. The opening is so heady. I wish it could smell like the opening. Like the first spray, it's so awesome, and then it turns so sweet, like immediately, within I don't know, like 10 seconds. Well, you know, it's actually really interesting. I see myself wearing it a lot, especially right now in the winter when it is, you know, really cold, and in the evening, especially in the evening, this would be so cool. And it's definitely a unisex perfume, not leaning masculine or feminine side. It's like totally in between. And you know what? I think it would be cool to wear these three together because they are so different. This one is so piney, fresh, and smells like forest. This one is, firstly, it is like dirty and earthy, but then it's like clean and very subtle. And this one, it's heady first, and then it turns like really sweet. So I think that you might like to wear like these two throughout the day, to apply them in the morning, and in the evening you apply an eggnog, and that would be such an awesome, like, you know, they complete each other so well. So I love this collection so much, And you know, we have February right now and it's a really cold time here in Europe, so I will be wearing these perfumes. And I really want to thank you, Joe, once again. It's such an awesome surprise for me. I remember as I opened the package and I didn't know what is inside. I thought these are like the samples, and then I saw these 3 fragrances from Demeter collection and I was actually like blown away. I was so happy, and I told like the people who worked there, like, oh wow, it's so like unusual and blah blah, and they were like, yeah, get out of here. You know. So I'm really excited that I had a chance to, you know, like try Demeter perfumes. I really wish their you know, like their collection were here in Europe. Let me know, guys, where I can sample them, where can I smell them in Europe or maybe in Germany. If you know the place, please tell me, because I searched for Demeter perfumes online, and only thing that I could get is like USA, and they don't ship like internationally. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. That was so much fun to film, and let me know if you want to see me filming more first impressions or like unpackaging videos on camera, or do you guys prefer like well thought through reviews where I actually wear a perfume so I can tell you how the fragrances perform, how long lasting they are, or you enjoy these spontaneous first impressions. So I'm looking forward to your comments. Definitely check out Joe's channel, the link is down below. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see each other in my next one really soon. Bye!